OpenAI has wrapped up a new livestream, and while there weren't any major new model announcements, there were some important updates that show where ChatGPT and Codex are heading next. The biggest takeaway? OpenAI is no longer positioning ChatGPT as just an AI assistant. They're positioning it as a complete enterprise work platform. First up, plugins. These look similar to the plugin-style approach we've seen from Anthropic with Claude, but OpenAI's approach appears to go further. These plugins can add interactive experiences inside Codex, including buttons, actions, and guided workflows. That means businesses could potentially build custom processes directly into ChatGPT, making complex tasks much easier for employees to use. Next, we have annotations. Instead of copying content into chat and explaining what you're referring to, annotations allow you to select specific parts of a website, application, or output and bring that context directly into the conversation. Think about reviewing policies, procedures, websites, training materials, or compliance documents. Teams can discuss exactly what they're looking at without constantly switching between windows. Then there's Sites. This feels like OpenAI's answer to Claude artifacts, but with a much stronger enterprise focus. Sites allow users to build, share, and deploy applications directly from within the platform. The key difference is that OpenAI appears to be putting more emphasis on governance, security, and organizational control, which has been one of the biggest barriers to AI-generated applications at scale. One thing that stood out was what wasn't announced. Many people expected more about workspace agents or department-level AI assistants, but most of the presentation focused on Codex. That suggests OpenAI sees Codex as the foundation for much of its enterprise strategy. Rather than just giving organizations pre-built agents, they're giving them the tools to build workflows, apps, and internal systems. And finally, the vibe of this event felt very different. Gone were the hoodies and casual demos. Instead, presenters were dressed in business attire, speaking to an enterprise-focused audience. The message was clear. OpenAI isn't just competing to build the best chatbot anymore. They're building a platform for enterprise workflows, applications, automation, and AI-powered work.